Hello all. Today we'll be making Pudina ki chutney. Chopped onion, tomato, ginger, garlic, green chilli, kadhi patta. Take a pan and put oil 2 tablespoons. Methi ke daane 2 teaspoon. Channa Dal 2 tablespoons. Peanuts. Fried for 2 minutes. Chopped onions. Ginger, green chilli, garlic and kadhi patta. Chopped tomatoes. Salt according to one's taste. Fried for additional 2 minutes. Corriander leaves. Mint leaves. Mix and fry. You'll get this beautiful and vibrant color. It's time to grind and mix it. Grind it till you get a paste kind of thickness. You can use it for 4 to 5 days max by keeping it in a refrigerator. You can eat it with a paratha. Do let us know if you like this video in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.